Hey, what's up guys? My name is VXR Alex, and today we're going to install the San Diego Powerhouse outlet kit on the CRF450L. It's a pretty simple installation. It's not that hard. I'm going to show you how to install it. For now, check your owner's manual how to take off the tank, the plastics. It's just a 12 at 10 and 8 millimeter socket. You'll be good. Let's do this.
Okay, now that you took in the exhaust, the tank, every single plastic you needed to remove, now you drain the coolant from this hole right here. Okay, so now you take the hose from right here. I don't know, this is zooming. There we go. Hose right there, hose right there. You remove that hose right there. You use a 6 millimeter to remove this thing's off. Then an 8 millimeter right here, you take it off. And the sensor thing right here, you just use a wrench and you pull it out real quick. For this is a connector, so there's a little pin down here, see? There we go. That pin, you push it in and it will pop right out. From there, you remove this thing off. Okay, now what you you install the rubber thing to cover the air box. Then the brass that's included with the San Diego Powerhouse kit. You remove this part right here. It's just a few 8 millimeter bolts, and that's about it. You take it off from this side. Then you use the dummy to connect the solenoid. Okay, now with the kit, you put the seal around it. There's San Diego Powerhouse provides it right here. So I already opened it. You put them both on there. So when you take it out, right inside here, you clean it with contact cleaner. You put a rag, you just wet it with contact cleaner, just clean it around it, because it's gonna be pretty difficult because it builds up carbon inside. So just put it inside real quick and you'll be set. And then from there, you install this inside of the motorcycle. Okay, now you install the hose that is included with the San Diego Powerhouse. You put this back, put it back in the torch on the same spec as the manufacturer wants. Then connect with the dummy over here. You can barely see it right here. That, just put electrical tape on it and then use the zip tie that was on the Honda. So now we're gonna remove this right here. It's pretty simple. You just have to take the hose, both hose over here, disconnect this one, hopefully you already did, and put the brass right here. Here's the hose. So we're gonna remove this. I really recommend to have everything organized like I do right here. See, I have all the bolts organized and where everything goes. Be the easiest. The hardest thing to do, it's putting this thing back. Excuse me. This thing right here. This thing will be the hardest one. Hey guys, it's been a week that I already installed the there it is, the San Diego Powerhouse outlet kit. It makes the bike, the 450L makes it way better. It makes it breathe. It makes it run better now. So my brother took it out to Palomar Mountain, to the back road. Man, he said that it makes it better, way better than it was before. So for the next plan for the San Diego Powerhouse, I want to do is remove the fender right here for putting the X model one. And it looks super clean now.
I really do recommend you guys getting the outlet kit. It makes the bike breathe way better. I tested it out right now in my local neighborhood. It makes it way better. I really do recommend them. I'm gonna put the link below of the San Diego Powerhouse outlet kit. So like I said, next one's gonna be taking off the rear fender and making it the X model. So sorry I couldn't explain it pretty good, but I try my best. Just read the instructions. Instructions is really helpful. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys.